How to add the Snapchat friend that you accidentally removed or blocked. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed in your phone. After you have installed it, you can simply and normally open the Snapchat and you will see an interface like this. On the top left side, you will see there is your profile given, and when you tap on it, you will now see an option like this, and in this option, in the top right side, you will see a gear button available, and when you tap on it, just go down and down unless you see the option of block users. And again, when you tap on it, you will see the users that you have already blocked. From here, you can unblock them. And again, if you don't find the user because you haven't blocked them and removed them friend, then if you know the username, then you can simply search for the username by going through the chat icon, and on the top side you will see there is a search bar. When you click on it, if you remember the username, then you can simply tap it and then you can find them by this. But if you don't know the username, but if the person is in your contact list, then you can simply go on this icon of add friend, and clicking here you can just search them by tapping on all contacts. By tapping on this, the person from your contact will be available, and then you can add them back. So this is how you do this. I hope you like our video. Thank you for watching.